What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing?
So hey guys, we just got back from shopping from SMLU and today I'll be doing a haul of the things I bought. So first things first, this is from X11 and yeah, I bought a lot. this one, and this maltese blind bag, and then these two random shinchan cards, and then I also have gashapons, 3 gashapons. I used 10 tokens. This one is worth 3 tokens, this one is worth 3 tokens also, and this one is 4. Yeah. And of course, shopping isn't complete if I don't get a blind box, so I definitely had to get one, and this one is from Filipino, and it's a skull panda blind bag. Yay! Okay, moving on to the next one. Let's check this first. This time it's a real checklist. But it's in Japanese, I don't know how to read. But I just know this is hangyodon, Hello Kitty. This one, I'm familiar with this, but I don't know its name. This is for me, my melody. Yep. We got hangyodon. And it's like a look-up figure. And then what we have here is it's like the name. Nice. I really want to get this one because I think it's pink and green color. I like the colors in this. I really want to get this one. And maybe the secret also if I have luck. So let's move on with this shinchan blind bag, or like blind box, which contains cards. So I've got 2 right here, and let's open up our first one. Move on to our last one. Have this one. Next is this maltese blind bag. I've been wanting to get something maltese related stuffs, and then now I found this on KKV or X11, so I had to get it. And yeah, because apparently these 2 dogs, which are the maltese, reminds me of Jake and Sung-hoon from enhypen, so I had to get it because they're so cute too. So, and I really like the packaging, super cute. At the back, it shows the possible pair of the dogs you can get. I'm fine with anything, honestly, because they're super cute. But I really want this one. Super cute. The kindergarten maltese. Stop! OMG! Yay! We got it, guys! The kindergarten kindergarten maltese. Let's get them out. Yay. Super cute. Wait, my hands are like shaking. So cute, guys. And this is the white one. Oh, wait, do we have different? Are they called like different names? The brown and white long one. I don't know. I have to look it up. Can't believe it. Oh, whoa! I just realized. Are these heapers? Because I believe this has an adhesive, and then you can stick it on your phone or like device. Yeah, these are. It comes with this. I believe this one is for their feet to stand up, and this one is like an extra for their body to stick. Then we have this lots of blind bag. It has 3 mini lots of figure inside, and these are the possible designs you can get. Anyways, let's open it from the back because I don't want to do a cut on lots of front head. Let's do it at the back. Bag. Second one. It's a crystal one. It's a clear pink. Last one. This is very metallic. So we took a stop on Bandai bookstore and I got this. So I got 2 card bind packs of spyxfamily, and I also got this. I believe this is like a badge or like those circular pins. First, let's open one of the blind pack. This is the packaging. On to our second blank pack and the last one. Oh, it's Fiona. And then let's open this one. These are the possible designs you can get. Did we get anya? Oh, that's so cute. Also came with a card. Super cute.